Hi students, today we are going to discuss the integrals. Many people are asking, do integrals topic sir. So that's why I started doing this. And in this, it is 3 marks important question for PUC. For PUC, it is important for 3 marks. Okay, and that too based on this formula. Okay, so in NCERT, the exercise number 7.6 e power x integral of e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to, what is the formula? Just e power x f of x plus. Maybe you will feel tough this. Okay, so carefully you listen. Nothing is there. So first I will select the easy questions only, not more than that. So first question you see them now. 1 mark questions first I am doing, but it is important for 3 marks. There is a chance for asking for 1 mark also. There is a chance to ask 1 mark also. So you observe them now. Question number 16. I will follow the NCERT numbers only. I is equal to integral of e power x sin x plus cos x whole dx. You please observe here. I am telling you e power x, e power x. This is f of x. This differentiation only this f dash of x. Sin x derivative is what then? Cos x. I hope you got my point. Okay, if the pattern, the formula pattern is this, the question if it is in the pattern in this form, then what is the answer for this? E power x into f of x. What is f of x here? This is f of x, here f of x plus I am having sin x. E power x sin x plus c completed. See how much easy this is. This is for 1 mark. One more easy question we'll do it. 19th one. For 1 mark only it is important. E power x of 1 by x minus 1 by x square whole dx. What is the answer? I hope everyone knows. F of x is 1 by x. F dash of x is 1 by x square. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. 1 by x derivative is what here? Minus 1 by x square. Right? So this is f of x, it is f dash of x. So what I can write here? E power x into 1 by x plus c. See how much easy this is. Okay. So I hope you are getting, you are feeling these are the easy things. But what I am doing, those are for 1 mark only, not more than that. This is example number 22. Example number 22. In that first one, I is equal to integral of e power x tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole dx, right? Now tell me, this is f of x. Derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. That means differentiation of f of x is f dash of x. So what I can get the result? What is the answer? E power x into tan inverse x plus c. These are not more than 1 mark. It is just for 1 mark. They will ask 1 mark. These questions are important for 3 marks mainly. And one more question. Repeatedly they have asked this question for 1 mark. I is equal to 24th in exercise. E power x into secant x of 1 plus tan x whole dx. 1 plus tan x whole dx. Then I is equal to e power x. Secant x, if I multiply inside, secant x into tan x. Next. Okay, sorry. Just secant x into 1 secant x. Order will follow. If I write zigzag, you will confuse. So you write in order only. Secant x into 1 secant x plus secant x into tan x whole dx, right? Now you can tell me then what is the derivative of secant x? Derivative of secant x is what? Secant x into tan x. So it's nothing but a f dash of x. So what is the answer then for this? E power x into secant x plus c. These all for 1 mark. Important for 1 mark. Okay, na? So, but I told this exercise important mainly for 3 marks. Mainly for 3 marks. So now I am going to do for 3 marks question. 3 marks questions. These are all important for 1 mark. Now I am going to do for 3 marks. As per the whole year question papers I am doing for you, or not more than that. Okay. So students, come to the next 3 marks important questions. Now I am going to do. So 17th from NCERT, x e power x divided by 1 plus x whole square. This is nothing but a I. How to do this? Now you take neatly integral of whole dx. Now whenever you are seeing these type of questions, one more question I will take at the same time for you. Another question in NCERT, 20th question. So I is equal to x minus 3 e power x whole divided by x minus 1 whole cube whole dx. We'll solve these two questions first. See, first you observe in the denominator value what I am having in the denominator 1 plus x, but what I am having here only x. Here I am having only x. What I am having here only x is there, but denominator I am having 1 plus x. So I need to add plus 1, then I need to subtract minus 1. What is my target here? I e power x. Here I am having only x. For this x you please add plus 1 and subtract minus 1, and then whole divided by denominator what I am having 1 plus x whole square and then dx. I hope everyone understood up to here what I did. So I am having here just x, then I added plus 1 and I subtracted minus 1. Sir, if I am having 1 plus x is there, sir, if I am having 2, then you please add 2 and subtract 2. What I am saying you understood now? That's it. Then our working rule. What is our working rule? I is equal to integral of e power x of first x plus 1 or 1 plus x, both are same. Okay, observe x plus 1, x plus 1. So now I am going to separate the things. X plus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square, then whole dx, right? X plus 1 square get cancelled. I is equal to integral of e power x of 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x square and then whole dx. Just before, for 1 mark basically I solved one question. You got it right? What is that 1 mark question? E power x in e power x 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. Derivative of 1 by x what I told? Minus 1 by x square, right? So then I have written here, then I am going to write here e power x 1 by x plus c, right? The same thing. Now I is equal to integral of, you can tell me, it looks like 1 by x, 1 by x. So 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. So if it is f of x plus it is f dash of x, okay na? So e power x whole dx. So in our pattern, it came our pattern, formula pattern. So the answer is e power x into 1 by 1 plus x plus c. So I hope you all are feeling integration easy now by seeing these all questions. See then now, same. You please come to this question. Here x plus 1, so you added plus 1 and you subtracted minus 1. But here minus 3 is there. But you need here minus 1. Yes, minus 3 only, you split it like that. I is equal to integration of x minus 1 and minus 2. E power x I would like to write in front of that. X minus 1 whole cube whole dx. I is equal to integral of e power x. Now you please keep bracket. X minus 1 my target. What is my target? X minus 1. So x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole cube minus 2 is there. Minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole cube and whole dx. X minus 1, no, this thing get cancelled. Then the value of I is equal to e power x of 1 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 by x minus 1 whole cube whole dx. I hope everyone knows the formula of derivative of 1 by x square. What is the formula? Minus 2 by x cube. This is the formula. So 1 by x square, it looks like 1 by x square. So it's nothing but a minus 2 by x whole cube will come. Okay na? So but in place of x I am having x minus 1. So direct I can tell this is in the form of e power x f of x plus f dash of x. This derivative is this. Sir, here plus not there now. If you want make this plus and write here minus 2, no problem. So f of x plus f dash of x. So now what I can conclude this answer? E power x into f of x. What is f of x then? X minus 1 whole square plus c. I hope you got it right. I hope you got it. So you all are feeling it is so easy. This is the 3 marks questions. Till before what I did, those are like 1 mark. Now I started doing the 3 marks. So we'll check other questions also. I remembered another question is so I hope you all are understanding. Yeah, you please share this video to all. Okay, na? So 100% it is useful. All my students are watching this. Okay, at the same time you share to your friends also. Okay, so next question. I guess the question number e power x of 1 plus sin x divided by. Wait, let me see the question. One plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. This is okay. Question number is 80. I is equal to integral of e power x over 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. This is the thing I have. Now, trigonometry formulas we need to know. What we need to know here? Trigonometry formulas. If you know the trigonometry formulas, this question is easy. We'll start doing the trigonometry formulas. So first tell me here how to do then. I is equal to e power x. I would like to separate the things. 1 by 1 plus cos x plus sin x by 1 plus cos x whole dx. Right? Just I have separated. I is equal to integration of e power x of 1 by 1 plus cos x formula. What is 1 plus cos x formula? 2 cos square x by 2. What is the sin x formula? I hope everyone knows these formulas from trigonometry. 2 sin x by 2 and then cos x by 2. Now tell me here 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 and then cos x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2. 2 will get cancelled, square and this get cancelled. Okay, further continuation, integral of e power x 1 by 2. 1 by cos square means it's nothing but a secant square x by 2. I hope everyone knows 1 by cos means secant. 1 by cos square x by 2, so secant square x by 2. 1 by 2 as it is I have written. Now here cos square get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Remaining I am having sin by cos. Sin by cos is what then now? Tan x by 2. Okay, first I would like to follow the pattern. I is equal to integral of e power x of, okay, so tan x by 2 plus, tell me then now, 1 by 2 of secant square x by 2. I hope everyone knows this is in the form of e power x f of x. What is f of x here? Tan x by 2 is f of x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x, but it is x, no, right? X by 2. Okay, so secant square x by 2, it is not x, so again should do the differentiation. So 1 by 2 will come front of that. That's it. Now what I can write the answer then? E power x into tan x by 2 plus c. See, this is third question I am doing. For 3 marks, basically we need to learn 3 questions in exercise. One more example we need to learn. Based on this. Okay. So very easy. So total you need to learn 4 questions. If you learn 4 questions, then 3 marks in our hand. No, maximum chances are there. Okay. Rare cases only it will miss in 3 marks place. So example question 1 is there. Which one? That is example number 22 only. Example number 22. First one already I did. That is for 1 mark. Now I am going to do second one. What is the question you observe then? I is equal to integration of x square plus 1 of e power x whole divided by x plus 1 whole square whole dx. You got it right? So now how to solve this? It is so easiest question. It is so easiest question. Now you can observe here x square plus 1 I am having. Here just I am having x plus 1 whole square. So first segregate this. I is equal to integration of e power x. Okay, na e power x of. Now tell me here what I am having x square plus 1. Okay, so my target is here x plus 1 is there. Okay, so x plus 1 is there. So I am going to subtract minus 1. At the same time, I am going to add plus 1. Already in question, one more plus 1 is there. I hope you all are understanding what I am doing. It's very clear. Sir, why you are writing x square minus 1? Why you are adding plus 1? Why you are adding, subtracting minus 1? The reason is x square minus 1. I can write it as x minus 1 into x plus 1. So denominator I have x plus 1. No. To balance that, so that type of ideology you need to develop first. Okay, na? This question if it came, the people are feeling the question paper is tough. So you please observe. Once again I am telling. Okay, na? Once again I am going to tell you. So x square plus 1 is there. Okay, you write that plus 1 here. Now your target is you subtract minus 1, at the same time you please add plus 1. Okay, na? Subtracting minus 1, adding plus 1, and then whole divided by x plus 1 whole square, then dx, right? I is equal to e power x of, now my target is x square minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 plus 1 2, no, 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square, then whole dx, right? I hope everyone knows the formula, like a square minus b square means I equal to integral of e power x of x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square, then whole dx, right? Then square, this get cancelled. Then the value of I is equal to e power x of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square, and then whole dx. Now it is in the form of, so we can conclude if it is f of x, then it is f dash of x. If you want, you please do. In first year only we learned these all. Okay, if you want, you please try it once. Okay, you will get this is f of x, it is nothing but f dash of x. So what I can conclude the answer then, e power x of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c, completed. Okay, starting I have discussed 1 mark also chance is there from this exercise. 1 mark questions 4 I think. 3 marks questions also 4 major questions I think. Okay, so we'll go to next session again. Thank you.